and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thanks for tuning in. And if you are returning, I really appreciate you coming on back. Now, if you like this video, I'd love it if you left me some feedback in the comments below or hit that thumbs up sign. In this video, I am actually continuing my Clear the Clutter in 2021 and working this time on something that completely exploded on my house, and that is the toy clutter. So I decided that was one of the first steps I needed to take in regarding reclaiming my space in our home. So I had decided that I was gonna change my office into a playroom for my son. As I got into that playroom, as you can see, I started boxing things up. A project I was really focused on very quickly became overwhelming, and I second guessed wanting to give up that space that I had designated for work for the last 6 years. So very quickly I decided a new room needed to be selected and selected a guest room that was upstairs. So basically I just had to clear out some extra furniture that we had kind of stored in there, as well as a queen size bed. Once I had everything out, I was able to really focus on moving all those toys that were basically downstairs in a play space for my son, and we moved it on up. So I had a lot of trips up and down the stairs. Puked upstairs, they all got carried upstairs and basically stored in my son's bedroom. Thank goodness he was at grandma's house for the night. So I was able to just leave everything in there. I couldn't shut the door because I blocked it with so many toys, but at least it was out of our main space. Oh, but not all of it. So I carpet shampooed, and then we let the carpets dry overnight. So I woke up bright and early to make sure I could have everything switched so my son would be surprised with the completed room when he got home. So of course my morning started with coffee. Lots and lots of coffee that day. Moving everything in, I mainly started with some of the larger items, larger toys that he had. I always seem to have extra helpers in the house. You could see Lollipop was in there quite a bit, and then she camped out in the tent for most of the morning. And then began the great toy sort of 2021. Cammy joined me too. So all my parents out there, if you can tell me in the comments how you track which toys to keep and which toys need to go with your younger kids, your toddler aged kids, because I'm at a loss for which toys to get rid of, because one day my son loves something, the next day he has zero interest in it, and we seem to just be stockpiling toys, which we don't need. So comment below with what tips and tricks you have for keeping control over your kids' toys. So here's the end result. I got everything kind of in a zone. I figured as we start playing in the room, we'll be able to move things around to really figure out what's the best spot for them. Oh, then I had to go and clean his bedroom because he has this massive amount of books. And whenever I do organize them and put them in, he comes and rips them down. So I did hear from the home edit that if you do the rainbow, kids are, they find it appealing and they may not destroy all the work you did in regards to organizing his books. So I rainbow organized my son's books, and I have to say, this was filmed this was actually filmed a few weeks ago, and those books remain in rainbow form. So, thank you, Home Edit. Cheers to you, and saving my sanity when it comes to all these hundreds of books that are in his bookshelf. All right, he's home.
JoJo and Baby.
Come here. I got a big surprise for you. Excited to see it? Go in there. What do you think? Yeah, the fish game? Your cars?
What do you think of your room?
You want to cook?
It's your new playroom.
Daddy,
What?
cook.
You want to cook? Look who's...
Have some tea?
Buddy, there's... all your friends are in the tent. Go look in there. Kitty was in the tent too.
Mom, what does that say?
It says Owen's Playroom.
Awesome.
Is that your moose? Look at the big Mickey. Mickey Mouse. And Puppy. And Pooh and Elmo.
So excited.
Boo. Cammy helped put it together.
What do you think? Pretty awesome?
Do you love it?
Shut up.
You're gonna shut the door?
Oh no, back.
I think we just have to turn him on. Bring him here. Bring to mommy. Rum, 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 rum.
Yeah.